Unleash the future of AI-powered creativity by seamlessly integrating your Veo 3 camera with the groundbreaking Gemini environment. First, ensure your Veo 3 camera is properly set up and connected to your network. Consult your Veo 3 manual for detailed instructions on network connectivity. Next, log into your Gemini account via the web interface or the dedicated Gemini app. If you're new to Gemini, you'll need to create an account first. Once logged in, navigate to the Integrations or Plugins section within the Gemini settings, usually found in the User Profile or Settings menu. Locate the Veo 3 integration option and click the Enable or Connect button. This may require you to authorize Gemini to access your Veo 3 data. You may be prompted to enter your Veo 3 API key or login credentials. This information can typically be found in your Veo 3 account settings or documentation. Now, upload or import your Veo 3 footage into Gemini. This can usually be done through a drag-and-drop interface or by selecting the video files directly. Allow Gemini's AI to analyze your footage, unlocking features like automatic highlight reel creation, player tracking, and insightful performance analysis based on the visual data. Experiment with Gemini's AI tools to enhance your Veo 3 footage. Explore options like video stabilization, object recognition, and automated editing to create captivating content. Finally, export or share your enhanced Veo 3 videos directly from Gemini, allowing you to seamlessly integrate them into your workflow and share your creations with the world.